Hello everyone, I am Roshit. I would like to present my Power BI project Business Insight 360, a comprehensive dashboard I developed as part of Codebase's Data Analytics Bootcamp. This project aims to provide a 360-degree view of AtliQ Hardwares, a rapidly expanding global FMCG company specializing in computer accessory sales across numerous countries. Before we delve into the dashboard's features, let's understand the critical need for this Power BI solution at AtliQ Hardwares. The company faced significant setbacks, particularly in Latin America, where decisions were often based on intuitions and limited surveys. And previously, they relied heavily on Excel for data analysis. However, as AtliQ's data volume grew exponentially, Excel proved inadequate, struggling to handle the complexity and scale. Recognizing this limitation, top management decided to invest in a robust, fully functional dashboard. This dashboard would cover key business domains including finance, sales, marketing, supply chain, and a dedicated executive overview, providing actionable insights for strategic decision making. The starting point was a large complex data set of sales data. From this, I crafted a user-friendly and intuitive dashboard designed to simplify data consumption for all stakeholders. To fully appreciate the dashboard's practical applications, let's briefly review AtliQ's business model first. AtliQ is a manufacturing company specializing in PCs and accessories. They distribute their products through mainly three channels: retailers such as Chroma and Amazon, direct channel including their own AtliQ e-store and AtliQ exclusive physical stores, and distributors like Neptune, particularly in markets such as China and South Korea. Now, let's examine the specific case of setbacks in Latin America, demonstrating the dashboard's analytical capabilities. Here, by selecting net profit percentage and filtering for the Latin American region, we can quickly identify the areas of concern. We observe that while Chile and Mexico are profitable, Brazil and Colombia are experiencing losses, with Brazil being the most critical, showing a loss of 11.83%. Further investigation reveals that AtliQ's e-store in Brazil is a major contributor to these losses, with nearly a 15% loss. To understand the underlying causes, we can explore various views within the dashboard. Specifically, in the marketing view, the unit economics visual, a combination of donut and waterfall chart, provides a clear picture of the situation. Here we can see AtliQ e-store's gross margin is significantly low at 23.63% compared to the overall gross margin of 38.08% for the same year. This low margin is primarily due to high cost of goods sold, which accounts for 76% of the total revenue compared to the overall COGS of 61.92%. Additionally, this waterfall chart highlights that operational costs are also high relative to the gross margin. This detailed analysis, achievable in just a few clicks, allows for rapid problem identification and targeted decision making. This dashboard offers a wide range of applications across various departments. For instance, in the supply chain view, we can track forecast accuracy and net error. Analyzing historical data, we observe a clear trend of improvement in forecast accuracy. However, the plot highlights a sudden decline in March 2020, which we know was due to the impact of COVID-19. Despite this, the accuracy again recovered. In the current running year, we observed a decline in forecast accuracy accompanied by a negative net error, indicating a serious out of stock situation. It is crucial to supply more products to the stores urgently. Particularly, peripherals and storage devices are showing maximum negative error, meaning they are severely out of stock. By exploring further, we can easily identify the most demanding products. This real-time analysis enables timely intervention to address supply chain inefficiencies and prevent lost sales. These examples are just a glimpse of dashboard's versatility. It is designed to be a dynamic tool for a multitude of applications across all departments. From daily operation tasks to high-stakes crisis management, this dashboard provides the necessary data-driven insights to navigate a wide range of business scenarios. To construct this dashboard, I utilized MySQL to load data from databases into Power BI. I also incorporated data from Excel files as required by the management. A robust data model was built using star schema, ensuring data integrity and performance. Mockup dashboards were provided by each departments, which I refined based on feedbacks and requirements. The performance optimization was achieved using DAX Studio. This dashboard features a landing page with intuitive navigation to each view, including finance, sales, marketing, supply chain, and executive view. The support and information buttons are available on all pages, providing assistance and context. The report refresh date and last sales data dates are prominently displayed at the bottom left corner for transparency. Now, let's explore the dashboard in detail. We will examine each view and specific insights they provide. Firstly, the finance view. It features three KPI cards at the top, displaying net sales, gross margin percentage, and net profit percentage. Notably, here net sales and gross margin have grown compared to last year, while net profit has declined. This profit and loss statement is highly flexible, allowing for analysis by country, product, segment, customer, or fiscal year. This clustered column chart shows financial performance over time, and these arrow bars provide clear insights into growth or decline compared to the benchmark. We can see that net sales have grown considerably to a range more than 300% for all months when compared to the last year. If we change the benchmark to target, we can see that net sales achieved its target around 98%. Here in filter pan, we can see year to date and year to go slices are available. A clear all slices button is included. A navigation panel at the top allows for easy movement between views, and information and support buttons are here. Next is the sales view. It focuses on net sales and gross margin. The scatter plot provides quick insights into customer and market performance. The top right quadrant highlights high performers. Drill buttons allow for customer and market-wise exploration. A GM percentage variance slider filters customers and markets. The product and customer tables detail sales performance with a toggle button to switch between them. The tooltip visuals on hover show net sales and gross margin trends. The unit economics visual, a donut chart, breaks down revenue, deductions, cost of goods sold, and gross margin. It reveals the impact of discounts and COGS on profitability. Notably, the chart indicates that the total discounts, including pre-invoice and post-invoice deductions, nearly equal the net sales. This visual suggests that reducing these discounts could potentially lead to a proportional increase in net sale amount. Furthermore, out of 3.74 billion revenue, 2.3 billion constitutes the cost of goods sold, which includes manufacturing cost, freight cost, and other costs. This leaves only 1.4 billion as the gross margin. Therefore, the visual clearly indicates that improving gross margin requires strategic actions to reduce both discounts and COGS. This visual is also flexible, allowing analysis by product, segment, market, customer, etc. Next is marketing view. Again, it utilizes a scatter chart visualizing net sales, gross margin, and net profit. The toggle button switches between gross margin and net profit percentage. The product and customer tables are here also included. The unit economics visual, a combination of donut and waterfall chart, shows how net profit is derived from the revenue, COGS, and operational expenses, highlighting the impact of the marketing spend. Next is supply chain view. The supply chain view focuses on forecast accuracy and net error. The KPI cards at the top display these metrics, and the tables show customer and product performance. The line and clustered column chart provides a detailed view of net error and forecast accuracy over time. A negative net error signifies an out of stock situation, while a positive net error indicates excess stock. Both scenarios result in economic losses for the company. These visuals are also highly flexible with all filters applied and detailed granularity. Next is the executive view. It is specifically designed for top level executives. Key KPIs are displayed with spark lines to show trends. Here we can see a growing trend in net sales over these years but a declining trend in net profit. Donut charts show revenue breakdown by division and channel. We can see that the PC division is generating the highest revenue, contributing a 61%. A ribbon chart visualizes market share trends in PC division. Notably, as you can see, until 2021, AtliQ was not a significant player in the market. However, in 2022, AtliQ emerged with a market share of 5.9%, indicating a significant entry into the competitive landscape. Tables show top customers and products and revenue contributions by subzone. This view is designed for quick and strategic insights. So, this dashboard empowers AtliQ Hardwares with actionable data-driven insights. This dashboard serves as a vital tool for both daily operations and strategic planning, enabling informed and timely decisions across all departments. So, thank you for watching. I appreciate any feedback you have.